Hello everyone, it's Michelle. I have totally redone my entire living room, so I thought I would go ahead and show you guys what I did and take you along the way with me. I'm going to tell you where everything came from and my thought process in getting it done, so let's go ahead and jump on in. Now I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning before I actually start putting all the decor in place. And one thing I really don't like doing is floors. I don't like vacuuming, sweeping, mopping, none of that stuff. But it's really important to have a clean and healthy home. I love using this vacuum cleaner. It's the Roborock S6 because not only does it vacuum, but it's also a broom and a mop, and I can run it every single day. I tell you, sometimes the surface looks clean, but this gets deep down into the fibers and it even gets out pet hair. All of this came out after 10 minutes of running over this area rug. Ooh. I can even set this up to do selective cleaning after it's mapped a particular room, so I can just tell it clean the bedroom, clean the kitchen, or clean the living room, and it'll go off and just do that based on what it's done before. I can also set up virtual boundaries so that it won't go outside of a particular room. It follows a Z-shaped path, which means it goes back and forth and it won't miss out on any dirt at all. And to use the mop, it comes with a water reservoir like this. And all I have to do is fill it up with water on the other side. I usually put hot water in it, and it comes with 2 reusable mop pads, and it also comes with a lot of disposable mop pads. I'm so glad that I teamed up with Roborock in order to bring you this Decorate With Me video. Oh yeah, did I mention that she talks too?
Water tank installed.
I keep it in the kitchen on the charger, and so I can activate it through the app that they have, and I can activate it by just pressing the button. Click on the link in my description box to get all the details on this vacuum cleaner and a discount code. I'm going to start off with this Let Me Shine. It's a glass and surface cleaner, and I'm just going to clean all the glass that I have in here. The 2 end tables have glass tops on them, and I'm going to clean the coffee table and the console table. Okay, I'm going to start off decorating around the fireplace first. I'm going to move these chairs out the way just so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Okay, while I'm moving this out the way, I want to know, am I the only one that doesn't like doing floors? How often do you vacuum or sweep or mop your floors? Is it every day? Is it once a week? Let me know in the comments how often you do your floors. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put these candle holders up here, but I'm going to stack them on top of each other, and I'm going to put some putty in between them so that it's not a permanent bond, but so it doesn't fall over. And then I'm going to put this battery operated candle on top. The 2 candle holders are from Tuesday Morning, and the candle came in a 3-piece set from Ross. Then I'm going to go in with this gold bottle and these flowers that I actually got from Hobby Lobby. The gold bottle is from the at-home store. And I'm placing this on the other side of the fireplace so that there's some symmetry and so that the 2 pieces balance each other out on either side of the television. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put these 2 big beautiful vases, and it has like these natural, it's like a natural arrangement inside of the vase. The natural arrangement is actually from Hobby Lobby again, and the 2 vases are from Ross. Adding this gold basket that I got from Ross and some decorative pillows just to give the fireplace a little bit more interest and a little bit more glam. Here to the console table, I'm going to be adding this beautiful gold vase that I got from Ross. The flowers are exactly the same as the ones on the fireplace. They are from Hobby Lobby. And these tall gold candle holders with white candles, I got these two from HomeGoods. I should have said in the beginning, my color scheme is gold, white, grays, and creams. Now I'm going in with these gold Ming boxes that I got from zgallerie, and I did get it on a good sale. And this beautiful crystal lotus candle holder. Now at the bottom I have all these cords and things I need to hide, and I thought about putting a basket here, but I have these beautiful pillows, so I decided to put these down here because it just softens the area, and I feel like it looks way better than putting a basket down there. So this completes the look for the console table. I love it. Now I'm going to take you over to the coffee table. Okay, I'm going to start off with this beautiful gold mirror tray, which I got from Belk's during the Christmas holiday. And I'm going to place this tulip floral arrangement. I got that from HomeGoods. The two silver mercury glass vases, the smaller one and the large one that I'm about to put on here, they are from HomeGoods as well. The candle holder, and the candle holder is from Burlington, and the Driftwood, I did get that off the beach, so it reminds me of when we went to the beach, so I always put it out here. And I love the contrast that it makes with all the silver and the glass. I love this look. And I'm going to put some coffee table books here right next to it. And I'm just going to add one decorative item, and that is from Ross. And I absolutely love the look of this coffee table. I love changing up a coffee table just with different types of decor and candles and things like that. Do you guys like doing that as well? Do you like changing up your coffee table in different looks? Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing a video where I do different types of coffee table styling, because I do love playing around with different types of decor on a coffee table. So definitely let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in seeing a video like that. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I decorated the sofa. I'm starting off with this faux fur rug that I'm putting across the back. Now I am looking for a new sofa right now, but I'm working with what I have right now. So I'm going to go in with these pillows here. The cream color pillows are from Burlington. The gold ones are from Amazon, and the two in the middle are from Macy's.com. And the white one is also from Burlington. Placing these two 20 by 20 pillows in my armchairs, and they are from Macy's.com as well. This cute little table in the center, that is from Ross. And I'm going with this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful crystal clock and lotus flower vase, and those are from Burlington. Over here next to the sofa, I am placing some throw blankets in this basket, and that really comes in handy when I have guests or if I want to sit on the couch and watch TV. Now these are the same lamps that I had before. I'm going to be placing one on either side of the couch, and these are from Rooms to Go. The final thing I'm putting in here are these two ottomans. They're coming off kind of blue, but they are a gray, and they are from Ross. I'm going to place two of them right in front of the fireplace for extra seating, and also the rug is from Ross as well. Okay, over here above the sofa, where I have this beautiful picture, I got that from Ross, and these wall sconces here. These sconces are actually from Kirkland's, but they didn't start off like this. They actually were black, but I just took my Rust-Oleum spray paint and I spray painted them gold. so that they could match with my overall color scheme, which is gold, white, gray, and basically beige. And so I absolutely love the way they came out. They just coordinate so well with everything. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I will see you in my next video. As always, if you have any questions about anything, let me know. Hang tight till the end because I do have a lot of pictures at the end. And I will see you all in the next one.